everybody, it's game time. This is my 4th box of Inception. I'm not going to screw it up this time. You get 1 autograph. If you're lucky, that autograph will be a patch autograph. There's a couple of those per case. You're not guaranteed that. 1 autograph, a couple of base cards, a couple of parallels. I still haven't pulled anything like crazy good out of this yet. And I'm not sure how much more of it I'll actually buy. I don't know. I mean, it's been decent though. I'm not going to say it's been bad. Alright. Uh-oh. I'm going to send these cards flying, as I'm known to do. Let's do this. Alright. Now the last 2. Oh, looks like I got something back there. I can feel something. Alright. We're starting off with Gleyber Torres, which I did get his card in my first box, I think. George Springer, who I've also pulled, so that's a shame. Out of 4 boxes, I don't want to start getting repeats already. Severino, which I got already. Wow, it's almost like this is the same box. Birdie rookie, I think I got that too. Corey Seager purple, I did not get. That's numbered out of 150. A green Arenado. The greens are not numbered. And my hit is Jeff McNeil Inception autograph patch card. Very nice. I mean, it's just a plain blue swatch, but I did get one of the patches, and lots of people like him. I pulled a 1 of 1 of his out of this. I did not realize he was a rookie. Or this was his rookie year. I didn't realize when I pulled that 1 of 1. But anyways, this is numbered out of 199. So this is a good box. This is better than my other box for sure. Cool. Pretty good box. And I like the Corey Seager purple. That's pretty sweet too. Alright, that's it. Another box of Topps Inception. What have I got coming up? The Prism Draft Picks Football, I think, comes in tomorrow. And I'm going to do a really big mail day because I got a tons of stuff that came in. So be watching out for that. Everybody take care. I'll be back with my next break or mail day soon.